Hello, this is Thomas Adrianson with NCSI, and today I'm going to show you how to auto-create an alert when a master incident is declared in Ivanti Neurons for ITSM. Logged in as administrator, we're going to go ahead and go to the admin console, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a relationship between incident and alert. So we're going to go to our business objects, incident, we'll go to our relationships, we'll add new, and we'll find alert. We can just keep this default name and just paste that into the internal reference name. This will be a 0 to 1, associates with 0 to many on parent link. We will add this relationship and save it. The next thing we're going to want to do is create a trigger so that when a master incident is declared, we'll go ahead and auto create that alert. There is a triggered action here called email SDM and service owner on master incident. But you would need to reconfigure this since this is just using a send email. So I typically turn this off and add a new trigger called master incident declared. And I'm going to say on initialize or update of is master incident is set to true. And then I'm going to configure this as a composite action. So I would go in here and I would add that email to the service desk manager or whatever other actions you wanted to do. But in addition, I'm going to also insert a child object. This is going to be called create alert. So we're going to select that relationship that we just created. So it's going to be incident assoc alert, and we're going to set a couple of fields here. So our category is going to be a problem, or you can add new categories as you see fit. For your description, we're going to use this subject of the incident. For our severity, we're going to set this to a 1, and our status, we're going to set this to current. And then feel free to add any additional actions. And now when we go into an incident and declare it as a master incident, we will be able to see that alert in the alert workstation right here. We can also configure this alert to show up in your self-service portal and alert bar if you'd like. Now, closing this alert, we have a couple of options. We can either set up another trigger to auto close it. For both of these, we're actually going to need to create a quick action on the alert business object. So we're going to go to alert. We're going to go to our quick actions. And we're going to create a new action, which is just an update object. Call this close alert. And we're going to set the status to closed, and we're going to automatically save that. Now, back in the incident business object, in our business rules, we're going to expand triggers. And we're going to say master incident closed. So on this, we're going to do on update of status. And we're going to set this to is set to, and you can either choose resolved or closed depending on the behavior that you want. If you still want that alert to be there when it's resolved but not closed, you would just choose closed. In our conditions, we're going to say is master incident. And then here, I'm going to, again, do a composite action in case I want to do any additional actions, but I'm going to select a run for child. And I'm going to say close alert. The child relationship is that incident assoc alert that we created. The child filter, we're going to do status is equal to current. And the action we're going to run is that close alert action that we just created. Now, whenever that master incident is closed, that alert will also automatically be closed. Your other option is to just add that tab to the layout. So we're going to go to our layout. If you want to be able to manually close the alert in the form, we're going to add that alert relationship as a child panel. So we're going to add a panel, we're going to do alert. That relationship is going to be to alert. On our toolbar, we're going to get rid of link. We're going to get rid of unlink. And we're going to drag up close alert. In advance, we're going to want to disable this or hide it, whatever your preference is, if the status is equal to closed. The status of the alert is equal to closed. Okay, we'll select the list views and the forum views. And we're actually going to want to hide this unless it's a master incident. So, and the hidden expression we're going to do not is master incident. And then we're going to save that. So now if we refresh this, on our master incident, we have our alert tab. We can see the alert. We have the option to close the alert manually from here. However, if we move this to a closed status, we will also see that that alert has automatically closed based on our triggered action that we set up. So that is how you auto create an alert and then give yourself options to auto close it or manually close it based on your preference. Thanks for watching.